It's good. Hi guys, good morning. If I'm looking awfully bad right now, I'm really sorry, but I'm a bit sick. It's 27th of July, Saturday today, and I was not wanting to vlog, but I knew like it's Saturday. I have to use my weekends for you people to vlog something or the other and then edit it throughout the week and then post it. But since I'm sick, my body is not really wanting to take a lot of pain, a lot of hassle, running here and there, changing angles, filming something or the other, and then posting it for you guys. I am having a bit of cold, and up until last day I had fever also. मेरे को 2-3 दिन से फीवर था, तो अब भी फीवर तो नहीं है एज सच, बट आई हैव कोल्ड एंड मेरा वॉइस भी थोड़ा हस्की हो रखा है बिकॉज मेरे थ्रोट इज़ सोर, माई थ्रोट इज़ सोर राइट नाउ. And yeah, I am having this energy drink right now with like chanas and dates and bananas and what else did I put? 4 चीज़ें डाली थी ना, दूध डाला था, सॉरी. या तो आई एम हैविंग दिस एनर्जी ड्रिंक राइट नाउ एंड दिस इज़ नॉट इवन कोल्ड. लाइक आई हैव यूज्ड some lukewarm milk instead of some cold milk inside my shake because I cannot use cold milk today. I'm not even gonna have my cold coffee today. I'm gonna have a warm one probably. And I have to take care of a lot of things today, a bunch of things, not a lot of things, and those things are like really really boring. Like I have to just clean something or the other in the house or just fix something or the other. So as I was saying, all those things are like quite boring and quite tedious to do and to get done with, and that's the reason why I was avoiding doing all those things for this long. But now today is the day I'm just feeling a little productive. Like I'm although not feeling like being productive, but at the same time inside my head I'm like I need to get done with those things at any cost today. Because अगर मैंने ये वीक भी पुश किया ना, तो मुझे नहीं पता, वन मोर वीक आई हैव टू गो थ्रू ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स सिटिंग इनसाइड माई हेड कि किया नहीं मैंने काम कुछ. सो yeah, I hope you people do not find this vlog boring. I'll try making it as interesting and as appealing as I can. And that's all for now. This is my ultra clean dish drying basket, guys. Like, it's so clean, and like so happy with the cleanliness and how I have almost removed dust from like each and every corner, and I'm like so glad I did this today. Also I was able to get rid of most of the hard stains off of this bottle. As you may see, like, you know, most of the stains are like completely gone. I'm like so happy with my Wookie scrub. Like, this is the scrub I've been using. This is Tough Lime Scale Spray Plus Scrub. You basically have to spray it a little up, and you know, then just scrub it with whatever scrubber you have in the house, and it works really well. And this is something I got from Amazon months back. And lastly, we have our freaking clean watch over here. As you may see, like, both the straps are like super clean from all four sides, and I'm so happy with how it's looking, like fresh, new, clean and everything. So I'm happy with the cleaning of all three things today so far. It's been already 10 to 15 minutes that I'm up from my nap and out of my bed, and I realized I have three packets over here, three boxes over here to unbox again. So welcome to the nice little interesting segment of this video. There's one box from Amazon and the two boxes are from Nykaa. The like below one is really a big one, and I'm really excited this time to unbox both my Nykaa packages in front of you guys, because I know the like one or two or like couple of things are like really interesting. So here in this box I can see we have two moisturizers, and oh my god, this one's again Dot & Key's Ceramides and Peptides moisturizer. I think this is the biggest tube I have mistakenly ordered this time from Dot & Key. Like, oh my god, I just love this moisturizer so much for its quality, and it's lightweight and non-greasy formula and everything. It just repairs. I don't know if it actually repairs, but I feel my skin like really hydrated and treated so well with this particular moisturizer from Dot & Key. And another one I have gotten this time is this one, like vitamin B5 10% moisturizer from Minimalist. This is again some moisturizer that people have been talking about like so much. I know I had been meaning to get this one also from like very beginning, like, you know, बहुत पहले से मेरा मन था मंगाने का, but I never got the chance to order it before. I don't know, but this time I was like, I'm definitely gonna get it. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this one as well. Coming on to the bigger box. Oh my god. Okay, so the very first thing that is like quite apparent over here is some P-Safes panty liners. That's all, nothing more to talk about it. Then next we have some cotton round pads, that's what it is, right? Just cotton round pads for removing your makeup with the help of your Garnier micellar water and everything. Then in here we have three more things. First is this tiny little concealer from Maybelline. I think I'm in shade 36, which is your, this is basically some Maybelline's Fit Me concealer. I do not use any foundation on my face whatsoever, so yeah, this is something I use whenever I feel like I'm going somewhere out, somewhere big, and I do need to hide a little of blemishes and dark spots on my face, like around my mouth, around my eyes, my dark circles maybe sometimes. So yeah, this is something I go for in all those times. Then we have some Garnier micellar water here. This is the very basic one, you know, the tiny size. And here I have gotten this Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Serum Gel. This is, I think, a freebie because I did not order it, I remember. So here we have this tiny little vitamin C Garnier cream from, like, as a freebie only. Then here we have two more things. First one is this toilet seat spray from PSafe. Just something that you use when you travel. And another thing is this Foxtails cleanser. This is their hydrating cleanser that has sodium hyaluronate. I don't know why did I even start speaking that. So this is basically just some good hydrating cleanser from Foxtail, and I have been seeing people like using this one and talking about this one like so much these days, so I thought why not order myself one and try it out and then see what's the rave about again. So yeah, I got this one from Foxtail. Then in here we have my new compact powder, because again the earlier one that I was using is gone, is completely finished. So this is again from Maybelline Fit Me, the most affordable one. The best selling product of Nykaa is this little, okay, there's my camera and there's my ring light. So we have gotten one more micellar water cleansing oil, like micellar cleansing water and oil something from Garnier. This one's a bigger bottle, and this one I got basically for the traveling purposes, because I might be traveling to some place in a very near future. I would be talking about the same in my future vlog, or not in this one, but yeah, I've gotten two micellar waters. This one for my ghar ka use, basically for my daily रात को ऑफिस से आकर मेकअप निकालने के लिए and SPF निकालने के लिए basically, and this one's for traveling purposes. And in the very last, I think we have some what here, shampoo over here. This is from Love Beauty and Planet. This is their onion black seed oil and patchouli hair fall control sulfate free shampoo. I love this brand so much. I think I've talked about this brand like in the past as well. Their products are so clean, so pure. I mean, they do not have like harsh things into them, chemicals, sulfates, parabens and everything. And like formula is like also so great because it cleanses your scalp like thoroughly and gets rid of like all the gunk, all the oil, everything. So why not go for something, you know, this pure and this feasible and efficient, yeah, affordable as well. Coming on to the very tiny Amazon package over here. What is that? Oh my god, my sister, I got scared. These are just some cute little cloud cutters, right? Like ये बहुत चल रहा है Instagram पे. I know I've been seeing people using these cloud cutters only for unboxing their packages, like Amazon Nykaa packages. Open करने के लिए the people use like separate cutters and not like something basic like this. So I think I'm also gonna start using something like this from the next time. And it's like so cute, although it's not stopping at the end. What is wrong with you? Like it's fixing, it's finally getting fixed at the end. And these are not, I don't know, they are cars and not clouds, I believe. Yeah, these are cars. I did not notice that in the very beginning, I'm sorry. these are cards, like 3 cute little cards over here. And yeah, that's all for my tiny little haul this time, and I'm done showing everything, and I have to put it all back now into the box and then get rid of the garbage and everything. So this is what we are doing next. Guys, I just got done washing my face, and this is the very last thing that I'm gonna do in my today's video. So this is some freebie that I got from Nykaa with one of my packages in like very past, like long ago. So this is Clinique's Moisture Surge, and I have heard a lot about this particular moisturizer, and I'm sure that you people must have too. So this is some hydro boosting moisturizer from Clinique that is like ultra rich in its moisturizing capacity. Like it's ultra hydrating, that's what I've heard about it. So you know what, I have never even tried going on to the Nykaa and checking out its price, because I know it's like really expensive. But since I got it as a freebie in this tiny little sachet over here, so I'm at least getting a chance to just try it out over here. So I'm like really happy about this little thing. I just dropped my clutcher. So this is what we are using. I'm just gonna tear this open right from here, making all those weird faces. I'm sorry. I think it's like really tiny little quantity inside. I don't know if you can see that. Wait, but I'm really hopeful about my tomorrow's morning, and I'm really expecting it to show some good results. uh I just should wake up with like ultra hydrated skin and should be just feeling like all plump and supple from inside, because if that is not going to be the case, then I don't think so this moisturizer is worth spending your money over. um Having said that, I know like skincare products do not work like that, but I think I'm already feeling the hydration, ultra rich hydration, ultra supple hydration inside my skin. Like I don't know, it's like so different. Like I think expensive products are expensive for a reason, and you just apply them and you can tell the difference there. Like guys, it's getting hot again and my face is beginning to feel all sweaty, and before it gets to my head and I become super annoyed back again, I want to take a leave right here. I really hope you people found this video as happy as always, and I did like all the pretty little simple things that you do at home and try to find your happiness and your peace into doing those things. I really hope you people enjoyed this vlog with me, and if you really did, do let me know in the comments down below. I will vlog another video for you guys tomorrow, and will meet you people in my next video super soon. Till then, yeah, stay happy. Bye.